Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and for day 25, wow, so close to the end of fasting month. Today I have a drink recipe. It's called as Blewah. It's honeydew drink, and there are many various ways of preparing it, but this is the simplest way, using ready to use store-bought syrup. I'll see you soon. Bye. So first thing first, we're gonna build up the drink. What I have here is called basil seeds. They look like chia seed, but they are not the same. And you need to bloom them as well, just like chia seed, but it's quicker in blooming compared to chia seed, and you don't have to wait for some hours. Once it's bloom, you can consume it right away, and you don't need like warm water or anything. You can use regular cold water, tap water. So this is for a single serving. I'm just gonna put about 1 tablespoon, and then we're gonna add a little water, and we're just gonna wait until it blooms, about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna stack it with other ingredients. As you may be able to see it's starting already. It's softened or blooming. Unlike with chia seed, you have to wait at least a half hour or an hour. It's looking nice already. Now while waiting for the basil seed totally or completely soften, we're gonna seeded seeded the seeds of a honeydew, and then we're gonna scoop out the meat to top our basil. You can use spoon or you can use ice cream bowler, but I want to use this. I have this. I actually don't really know what is this device for, or utensil. It looks like this. I got this from a Korean store back in 2005. I think this is for kimchi, but I'm not sure. I always use this for shredding fruits for drinks. So yeah, we're gonna use this. But again, you can use watermelon bowler, ice cream bowler, ice cream scoop, or just spoon. So what I'm gonna do is just shred it like so, but of course push it a little bit more, but I'm using one hand at the moment, so I'm just showing you that I will be doing this before I scoop it with my spoon. So now I just scoop it out and spoon it inside my serving cup. Oh, look at the juice, so nice. And then top it with some ice cubes. Now you can pour your syrup, or you can add other goodies that you like young coconut, but mine is still frozen, so I couldn't be bothered. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pour the syrup. If you have melon syrup, that would be perfect, but I ran out and I only have this cocopandan. So just pour some. There you go. And then add some water. Ah, so refreshing.